Be ready. Start. From the materials on record, it transpires that on 27th November 1972, the state of Rajasthan issued a notification providing for reservation for scheduled caste stroke scheduled tribes candidates to the extent of 15% for scheduled caste and 7.5% for scheduled tribes. Subsequently, on and from 3rd October 1973, such reservation was increased to 16% and 12% for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes candidates respectively. On 29th January 1981, the rules for promotion based on the criteria of seniority cum merit were introduced. In 1992, in the case of Indra Sahani versus Union of India and others, 1992 Supplement 3 SEC 217, this court had held that reservation in promotional posts for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes candidates was not permissible. The effect of the said decision was neutralized by the Constitution 77th Amendment Act enacted on 17th June 1995, whereby Article 16 4A was inserted in the Constitution to provide for reservation in respect of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes candidates in promotional posts. In 1996, it was held that even if the person in reserved category is promoted earlier than a general category candidate due to operation of roster and subsequently the general category candidate was also promoted, the candidates in the general category would regain their seniority as existing in the cadre prior to promotion. This method of allowing a subsequent promotee to regain seniority came to be known as the catch-up principle. On 30th January 1997, the Union of India issued a memorandum to all the various departments asking them to implement the decision rendered by this court regarding regaining of seniority pursuant to the said direction. Thereafter, on 1st April 1997, the state of Rajasthan followed suit and introduced the catch-up principle. A provisional seniority list of candidates belonging to the Rajasthan Administrative Services was issued on 26th June 2000 on the basis of the notification dated 1st April 1997. However, it was never given effect to and was ultimately quashed by the Rajasthan High Court in writ petition civil numbers 2968 of 2000, 2176 of 2000, 3373 of 2000 and 3385 of 2000. In 2001, the Parliament passed the Constitution 85th Amendment Act inserting the words consequential seniority for members of reserved category. The provisions of the said amendment were given retrospective effect from 17/6/1995 in order to remove the provision relating to the catch-up principle with retrospective effect. In 2002, a writ petition was filed before this court by the All India Equality Forum against the state of Rajasthan, seeking to strike down the Constitution 82nd Amendment Act and the Constitution 85th Amendment Act of 2001. Thereafter, on 11th November 2002, therein order granted implementation of Article 16 4A of the Constitution was clarified and it was indicated that if certain candidates from reserved category were entitled to promotion in terms of the provisions of Article 16 4A, they would be promoted. It was therefore the stand of the Union of India that the interim order could not be construed to be a bar to implementation of the amendment to Article 16 4A. The order also provided that no person was to be reverted from their existing placement or standing in the seniority list. After having introduced the same, the state of Rajasthan, by its notification dated 28th December 2002, withdrew the catch-up principle after the introduction of the Constitution 85th Amendment Act. From the notification dated 28th December 2002, it would be seen that an attempt was made to preserve the rights of general category candidates who had already been promoted via notification dated 1st April 1997. It was also indicated that persons who had already been promoted via notification dated 1st April 1997 were not to be reverted. The bias of Article 16(4)(a), 16(4)(b) and Article 335 of the Constitution was challenged, and in M. Nagaraj's case, supra, it was considered by a constitution bench of this court, which upheld the validity of Articles 16(4)(a), 16(4)(b) and the amendment to Article 335 of the Constitution, but imposed certain conditions regarding reservation in promotion and accelerated promotions. This court directed that the state should collect quantifiable data, after which the committee should also examine the recruitments relating to backwardness, inadequacy in representation, and efficiency for the purpose of grant of reservation in promotion and accelerated promotions. One of the areas of dispute between the parties is that the state government also withdrew the catch-up principle in favor of general category candidates with retrospective effect, but without following the principles enunciated in M. Nagaraj's case supra. On 24th June 2008, a seniority list was drawn up without considering the catch-up principle, which also gave effect to the notification dated 25th April 2008. On 22nd August 2008, DB Civil Writ Petition number 8104 of 2008 was filed by Bajrang Lal Sharma and others, challenging the said notification dated 25th April 2008 and the seniority list drawn up consequent thereto. While entertaining the writ petition, the division bench of the High Court stayed the said notification dated 25th April 2008. The case made out in the contempt petition was that despite the judgment dated 5th February 2010 and the dismissal of the various special leave petitions filed by the state of Rajasthan and others on 7th December 2010, the state authorities were not complying with the said judgment. Thank you.